Tell me something. Have you ever felt something very strongly but could not find the right words in English to say it? Maybe you were happy, but all you could say was, I am good. Maybe you were really nervous, but all you could say was, I think? Or maybe you were feeling so many things at once, and the English words just did not come. Feelings are the most human thing in the world. And today you are going to learn how to express them in simple, natural, beautiful English. Welcome to Sankalp Beyond the Board. Ha! Where we make English simple, real, and full of life.
In today's video, you will learn powerful English sentences to express your feelings and emotions in everyday life.
Every sentence comes in two speeds. Normal speed, so you hear how it really sounds, and slow speed, so you can repeat it easily and practice. Whether you feel happy or sad, nervous or excited, tired or grateful, after this video, you will always have the right words.
So take a deep breath and let's talk about how you feel, in English. Are you ready? Let's go!
I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel sad about my results. I feel sad about my results.
I feel stressed at work. I feel stressed at work. I feel tired after a long day. I feel tired after a long day.
I feel excited about my birthday party. I feel excited about my birthday party.
I feel lonely sometimes at night.
I feel grateful for this meal. I feel grateful for this meal.
I feel angry when people are not fair. I feel angry when people are not fair.
I feel nervous when I speak in front of people. I feel nervous when I speak in... I feel worry about my health. I feel confident when I understand the lesson. I feel confident when I understand the lesson.
I feel disappointed when things go wrong. I feel disappointed when things go wrong.
I feel surprised friends do something special. I feel surprised when my friends do something special.
Feel peaceful when I sit quietly and pray.
I feel proud when I finish something I worked hard on. I feel proud when I finish something I worked hard on. I feel impatient when the queue is very long. I feel impatient when the queue is very long. I feel nostalgic when I look at old photos. I feel nostalgic when I look at old photos. I feel relieved when the day is finally over. I feel relieved when the day is finally over. I feel free when I dance and forget everything. Everything. I feel embarrassed when I make a mistake. I feel embarrassed when I make a mistake.
I feel calm when I walk in the garden. I feel calm when I walk in the garden.
I feel emotional when I watch a sad movie. I feel emotional when I watch a sad movie.
I feel satisfied when I finish all my work. I feel satisfied when I finish all my work.
I feel uncomfortable in a very crowded place. I feel uncomfortable in a very crowded place.
I feel cheerful when I go shopping with friends. I feel cheerful when I go shopping with friends.
I feel hopeful when I see a new morning.
hopeful when I see a new morning.
I feel overwhelmed with joy when good things happen. I feel overwhelmed with joy when good things happen. I feel melancholy on cold, rainy days. I feel balanced and at peace after yoga. I feel balanced and at peace after yoga.
And that is a wrap for today.
Go to the comments section right now and write down one feeling from today's video. Just one sentence, in English. That is your homework for today.
Now here is something I want you to do, speak in, and it will take less than 1 minute.
You just learned 10 real English sentences to express your feelings and emotions in everyday life. That is something to be really proud of. If this video helped you express your feelings in English, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep expressing yourself. Again, see you in the next video. Bye for now.